Hey guys, and welcome back to Krafty Kyra, and in today's video we are going to make doodle art. So let's get started. We will start by covering the page with colorful lines. Now let's start doodling over it. And if you like today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Krafty Kyra and also turn on the notification bell on so you receive all the notifications when I upload a new video. Also, share this video with your friends and buddies and give this video a like. I will see you guys next time. Till then, be crafty and bye.